Please meet you all.
Yeah.
Yes. You can take accept
There or you still
I'm still student. And yep, I think study about the business.
Yeah. Yeah. I spent like 6 months in
Oh, really?
yeah, to learn English. And
Oh my
even
god.
now, my English is
Oh, this is the
Tech for the
our name
students.
tag. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
we are
still
still student. We
student.
study
English
English.
student. About English. Because we realize
So
that English
this
is
is actually this is okay. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day for you. Yeah. For experience for what is that? Talking with foreigner.
Did you ever visit country or
maybe yeah someday. Because yeah,
which one do you
maybe in France or Swiss. Because it's Switzerland, isn't it?
yeah.
We don't speak very well English in France.
Oh,
People are not.
yes.
Yeah, most of the people don't speak
Oh, yeah.
English or
How many foods that you try here?
I don't know. Wait, right.
What else?
I don't know the name.
You have tried what is it? Nasi goreng.
You know?
But the noodles,
Nasi goreng.
goreng, but noodles.
Oh, yeah.
Bakmi.
Bakmi, bakmi.
Bakmi goreng.
Yeah, yeah. So
What's your
delicious.
favorite food in Indonesia? Because we can try.
I really like satay.
Satay.
Satay, yeah, you know, right? Satay is like the chicken and we skewer on the meal and we burn this meal like that. It's good. You must try.
I didn't try it here, but in France we have some Indonesian food. I love it, and I want to try it here.
Alright.
I tried tek.
Oh yeah,
Oh, you tag.
yeah.
It was very spicy.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't you like spicy?
Yes, a little bit.
A little
It was
bit.
very strong for me.
Oh my god. But sometimes.
Was sweating.
Then you can request to not spicy. Because in Indonesia, many people like spicy food.
Yeah,
Many food.
yeah. In France, not so many.
Oh
We
yeah.
don't really use spicy food. Spicy food. But I really like it.
We had pepper and all from many dish, but not very.
You prefer the sweet things, maybe cake
Not me.
or not?
Yeah, I prefer salt things.
Oh my god.
But I don't know. Maybe more butter, onions, something like that. But not really spice.
Oh,
Garlic, a lot of garlic. Yeah.
do you guys friend in your country already?
Yeah.
Friend with senior high school already?
Yeah, we were in high school, the same high school.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We know each other since 12 years now.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's so long.
Yeah.
Ah, you are best friend, right?
Cahyono.
Yes, and maybe you can give some recommendation
Cahyono.
in France.
Podo-podo skupeng
Couple.
Right.
Raclette?
Yeah.
What?
It's like
Cheese?
melt, cheese.
A lot of cheese.
It smells like mozzarella.
More than that.
Oh my god!
Yeah, with flavor more strong.
Yeah.
It's cheese with flavor. Yeah.
Yeah, mushroom flavor, and it's
hot cheese. You put on potatoes and
If we mix with bread, is that delicious?
I love
Oh,
it. But usually French do not use bread with this dish. But I love it.
we
It's
eat,
like
we eat bread with
every time.
everything, but not really.
There is some rules.
oh my god! About tourism place?
Paris. So many places very beautiful in Paris. In Paris, I like park, like the park of park of Paris.
Is hill, so you can see all the city. There is a church, the Sacré-Cœur. You see all the city, so very.
In my hometown, I'm from Bugis, Java, and there has English village. We call English village, and there are many people that learn English like me, Lila, and Yahya as well. We're the same course.
Okay.
Yeah, and there we must speak English 24/7 even with the sellers as well. Because of that, I can improve my English as well.
Your English?
Thank you. And how about in your hometown, Lila? Like English village. But so
in my city. Near from
In the south. In the south, from here, where north, south, east,
oh west
west from
so
here.
so yeah
oh yeah,
so Java
Java.
so Java
So Java.
And you, where?
I'm from Solo, Sulawesi. From here, east.
East.
Yeah, from here. Yeah. But yeah, this my island, like key, like
Key letter.
Yeah, key
Oh,
letter.
key letter.
Key letter, and yeah, is mountain. Yeah, mountain.
Pilihannya podo-podo kan?
Mountain is
Paling kau tengah jalan, balik. Kalau sini kan nggak bisa.
the
Mahameru maybe
no Mahameru. Bawa Karaeng.
It was very nice to meet you, but
Oh, nice
we have to go.
Alright.
Yeah, we have a driver and he's waiting for us. But it was very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank
I'm
you.
very glad.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
See you. Have a nice day.
Lali opo pancet lali.
8 minutes.
No, we can cut.